I'm inside Local Vid Pro, and to sum this up, it's a three-step process for perfect for video marketers and local businesses. How this works is I've basically made it very simple. So on the left hand side we have, research, create, rank. So and or we can just I would say I would get this research down, because first I would say create, rank, and sell, so and make money for with local businesses. So the first step I have is create videos. Now this is a very powerful video editor that we have here, and it's a green screen video editor, and it is amazing. What we can do is, like, we can add the title of the video in this basic info tab. Then we move to the intro, and we can just go and select any intro video from here, from our hard drive or from Pixabay. So there's this integration inbuilt. We can search with any keyword, and the beauty is when I select an image, so it comes over here. The preview is right there, and that's the intro part. Then with the video file, I select one video from the hard drive. So this is the main video which comes right here, and then we have the outro. Again, we can select any images from Pixabay and from any other source, and it comes right here. After that, we made a drop dead simple, so we have we can select the lower thirds, so from our library, or people can just upload it from their hard drive. And when we select, so we see the live, so what we see live preview of everything right here. And then what we have is we have a watermark. So if I want, I can just add a watermark. Let me just get one very quick. So let's see. Okay, so let's get this one. Okay, so and then we can place it wherever we want, like we want it on the center, on the top left, and stuff like that, and it should appear right here now. So it should be there. Yeah, so here it is. So the watermarks also appear, and then we can add some text on the lower thirds here. And we have two texts, so one is the text and one is the animation text. So animated text moves on the, as we've seen in the news channels, they move on the lower third, so it's kind of an ongoing text. But for this demonstration, let me just show you this one. Click the link below. Okay, so and if I just move out, and this text should also get updated, so that's what I want to show you. So it should come anytime from now, and look at this. So everything is updated, looking beautiful. And then either one, it would work. So animated text, I don't want to use it. We cannot see the animated preview here because it makes sense, this is static images. And then we can also add background audio, so if you want. Okay, so that's all about it. I hit finish, and it's gonna start creating that video. So the first thing that I've done here is I can and this is a green screen editor. Okay, so if you have a green screen video library, then for in local businesses, people can just pull in that library here, and they can change the backgrounds, and they can customize it as per the client's requirement, and they can add an intro, outro, lower thirds, watermark, everything, and it's created. So I won't just for the demo purpose, I'm not hitting this right now. But then what happens is, once I create that, so it comes in my recent videos over here. I can download it, I can delete it. So that's how simple it is. And this is step one, I would say, creating that video. And then is step two. Now this is huge. Because with local marketing, this thing really works like crazy. How do I work with this? So okay, so once I create the video, so I come in the ranking module, and inside this I click on this add event, and this is where the magic begins. Now over here we have these drop down menus. So for just sake of this demo, I've already filled this up so that I can show it to you real quickly. So for example, I want to target dentist in my city. in a particular area. So I select the continent, I go to the country, then the state, then the city, and then that particular place. Okay, I can either go with one individual area. Now these are the important street names, or some areas in your city. So if you select from your New Zealand country and your city, then you will find all the areas right here, or most of the areas right here. And then you can either select one, or you can get all of them, so that's completely optional. We can do that. And then we enter the keyword. So I want to target dentist, and I hit search. And what it does is it actually gives me all these listings with just one click. Okay, and now what I just have to do is I just have to upload that created video, and that video will be live streamed on all these locations, and with different combination, like the best dentist, the affordable dentist, the real dentist, or there's so many of them. Look at this. I mean, best, and in that area and in all areas. So, and it is highly optimized, SEO optimized, because that's how it is. So the title is there in the description also, and in the tags also, and we have some more killer SEO strategies here. So we can add the thumbnail, we can add different thumbnails in different listings, or we can add one thumbnail and we can checkbox this and it goes to all. We can add the video from here, select the video, so it'll show us all the videos that we have in the library, and we can select one and add it there. If we want different videos, we can select different videos for different listing, or if you want just one video and checkbox this, it goes to all those videos. And then look at this. When I say we have awesome SEO strategy, it really means that. So we have the title in the description, the tags, that is point number one. The other thing that we have is the last URL and the random URL. So what will happen is when the events are created, the live events will automatically rank, but they will also have the last URL from this list of listings and the random URL of any of the listings inside the description automatically, so giving more power. So they're interlinking, and these videos are super fast ranking because they are highly targeted to that particular location with the different keywords. Now that we can do all sorts of combinations here, and that's all with us. So we just need to give those directions in the settings area, and that's a different option. I'll share that once you say okay to the app. And then I want to show you this is we can actually then select the category. When do we want to post this? We want it at a random interval, like after every 60 minutes, between 60 minutes to 240 minutes. It'll take a random time and it'll just list it there, and hit this button and submit. So all the listings will go out there, get all the events will be created automatically, they'll be live streamed automatically in the cloud itself, and they'll be all be interlinked, and they will rank like crazy. And we get multiple page one ranking with this, so many of videos that we are streaming, okay, with just one click, and it's completely as per the TOS of YouTube. Okay, so there's no problem at all. And once we get these rankings, that's the reason I want to keep this as the third stage. We then go out there and another create the research. So we actually go out there and get this leads. Okay, so we get the leads for say that particular keyword, like dentist in Mumbai, and now I have my page one rankings for this keyword. Okay, and I can go to any client with a proof. So I would say them, okay, see, I have my video on page one. Are you interested in putting your contact details? So that's it. So basically it'll actually get those it gives me a better chance of closing that customer real fast. So it's taking a little time because it's pulling out a lot of information. Okay, so here we are. So I got all the information, dentist in Mumbai. So I get that address, and I get their contact number, their website, and of course I can actually go one step ahead and I can see what's going on here. Look at this. This is magical. So I get to know their social shares. I get to know whether they have a video. So this is a huge best client for us, so it's like they don't have a video on the web page, so I have just created and ranked for them, so I can give it to them. So this is huge. So, and there's more analytics coming in here. They take a little time. So this is poor, so their page speed is poor, so we can optimize that as well. Their page speed test on a mobile is again poor, obviously, when it is supposed to be. So that is good opportunity for us. This client is a best client for us, so they don't have anything going on in the social marketing, in the website area, and they don't have a video, and the mobile compatibility result is good, but the speed is too low. So we can just go out there and contact this client with this great information and show them that we also have a video for them. And then once we know that this client is good, we just send an email. And the great part again here is, with just one click here, I'm actually gonna attach this whole report that we have generated with an email and send it to that client right away. Okay, and we can, in the upsells, we also have done for you templates, SMTP, autoresponder, and we can select from the templates. We can have custom templates. Everything is done for you. This is a huge product, and this is going to be crazy for any person who is wanting to create a complete biz in a box. So let me know your thoughts. So in a nutshell, it's creating your video, ranking your video, and then finding clients and closing the deals. So, and with the close, I mean, as I told you, we have lots and lots of details. So we can put sub users here. We have done for you email templates. We can schedule emails, and we can create a complete autoresponder as well. We can find analytics and so much so forth. And there's so many more things that we can do. I mean, I can go on and on, but in a nutshell, so this is Local Vid Pro.